wow, 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 wow. It has begun.
Needing table help and officials to mat 15. We got some matches coming. Table help. These are 15 and under, 114.
Go, you can do this. This is so easy for you because you are awesome. Yes, you are extra. Yeah. You are
10 and under 100 pounds. 10 and under 100 pounds.
amazing.
12 and under 64 pounds.
15 and under, 114. 15 and under, 132. We're going to go down on mat number 15. Jackson Van Tassel, you ready to go on mat 15?
Right there on the table, you dummy. He's looking for the spray bottle.
Those weights 14 and under, I just called the mat 15. We're going to use mat 15 and mat 13, so be ready.
This is a cellular final match of code. Beehive Brawl 13 experience. Wow! Just so that you know, this is Charlie.
Just come without talking.
Okay. Do not listen to me. I'm just a man behind a curtain. I do not exist.
12 and under 64 is on the podium. 12 and under 64 is on the podium.
Grandma, I was like, this is going semifinals is pretty cool. Yes, it's very the experience. So much adrenaline. Can you just feel it here through the camera? Even my mother has adrenaline. Cole! Come on!
5th and 6th place, 6 and under 52 pounds. Please come to the podium.
Okay, table help at mat 12. Be ready. Referee and table help at mat 12. We're going to move some stuff down. Be ready on mat 10 as well.
Buddy. The other.
Colton Bradshaw, mat 1. Colton Bradshaw,
No.
mat 1. Colton Bradshaw, mat 1.
You juggle it too much. I don't know if you're going to be able to watch it after.
We just have to put it on mute when we watch it
No, she said I'm too jiggly.
Oh, jiggling.
Yeah, hold it super still. I thought you meant talking. I told him. Tucker's not a good filmer.
This is Charlie. Woo!
Tell him this is the semifinals to give us championship of the Brawl 2013.
This is the semifinals of his 2013 experience at the Beehive Brawl. Oh yeah! Boom, boom, boom,
Pressure, Cole! Pressure! Wait, honey!
10 and under, 100.
Come on, go pin him!
8 and under, listen up, 8 and under 67 pounds. You're going to move to mat number 12. 8 and under 67 pounds. You're moving to mat number 12. 8 and under 67 pounds. Moving
Itchy.
to mat 12. 8 and under 67 pounds. Moving to mat 12.
That was just Calvin.
15 and under, 126. 15 and under, 126. 15 and under, 120. 15 and under, 120. 12 and under, 96. 12 and under, 88. 12 and under, 88. Please come to the podium as soon as possible.
8 and under 46 pounds. Mat 12. Sorry, 8 and under.
No, come dog on him! Yeah! He is now going to be in the championship of his 2013 experience.